Yeah, team, so this shit is where I'm at, bro. Just broke off a fucking extraction bolt and this shit. Yeah, this shit is over for the night, team. It's like fucking wild, man. Only thing holding me up for changing my transmission fluid, so sheesh. Gotta see what else I can do. I was trying to make some lines right here, so maybe I could get like a chisel joint and put that shit in my drill and do it that way. That shit ain't work. Anyway, let's go. I just went Conan the fucking Barbarian on this fill plug for my transmission. Like, I know this shit needed transmission fluid. I know it was time for the change. I wanted to do it with the oil change. Easy. It came off, no problem. This shit though, look at this shit. I killed it. It's over. But nevertheless, got that shit, team. I had to go straight old school, hammer and a chisel, till I got that shit to budge. But that shit is out. You see, shit. This shit is out. Let's go. So y'all already know what time it is. I'm about to get this car level. Yep. That's it. I wanted to go over with y'all today in this abused VQ segment. Besides destroying my fucking fill plug to get that shit off, I'm gonna take you guys through how to do a manual transmission fluid swap. So as of right now, I kind of just got the car jacked up just so I could fight with this damn fill plug and got that off. Now that I have that off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out my other 3 jacks and I'm gonna get the car level. So let me go do that right now. You wanna have the car level, but what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna jack up the front just so I could get a nice drain going on this transmission fluid. Let's do that first. So I got my siphon pump, I got my transmission fluid. If you have a 3.5 V6 liter with a 6-speed manual transmission, Maxima or Ultima. Maxima 04 to 06, Ultima, if I'm not mistaken, 04 to 06 or 05 and 06. It could be 02 to 06 for Ultima. But if you do have that manual transmission, I went with the red line MT85, the manual transmission 85, kind of right between the 80 and the 90, so it should be perfect. Got some really good reviews. I wanted to go with the AMSOIL, but I couldn't find any really good deals on that, so I'm gonna stick with this for right now. Let's see what's up. Also, if you guys needed to replace your fill plug, here's the part number. Official Nissan part. I could not find this online anywhere. Definitely had to go to the dealer to get another one. So this is the part number. Here is the replacement fill plug. Yeah, you know me. I got 2 just in case. And if you're taking it out, right, you're gonna need the, what we got? Torque joint, right? What size is this? I think this is the T55. There we go. T55. You'll be good. Hex joint, and that fits right in there perfectly. Perfect. So just wanted to give y'all that. All right, team. So right now I just have the front of the car jacked up. When I'm ready to install the transmission fluid, I have my other jacks ready. I'll go and jack up the back of the car to make sure that it's completely level. But as of right now, yeah, got the fill plug loose. Drain plug is loose now too. Let me just go. Let's go. Let's get the drain going. Alright team, so just want to show y'all, got the car jacked up, 4 jack stands, we're level, even. So now let's get in here so we can get this transmission fluid back in here. So shaking team, just wanted to show y'all the setup on how I'm using my siphon with one end into the transmission fluid. My other end is going into my transmission itself. So now once I start to pump, gonna pump, that should be taking the fluid from out of here and transferring in here into the transmission, taking the transmission fluid out of the bottle into the siphon, out of the siphon into the actual transmission. It's real simple when you're filling the manual transmission fluid. The way that you know you're good and you're done is when the transmission fluid starts leaking out through the fill plug. So let's get the pumping and I'll get right back with you. Getting it in here, one down, second one down. I'm on my third one. You should take about 2.7, so you're not gonna finish the whole third bottle. You should really see it start leaking out. So I'm just gonna get this third bottle in here, get the fill plug on there, tighten that down, and your transmission change is good to go. You know what I mean? Let's swap it out, let's do it. See how it's leaking down? Got my drain pan. But yeah, once it starts leaking like that, you know you are good. It is full. Everything is good. Let's just slap the fill plug back on and we good to go, baby. You already know. Boy Sir V, aka that OG. Listen, stay with it until I get it.